This tutorial shows how to add custom hotels in the Adivaha Portal. It explains how to configure the custom hotel add-in, add hotel details, manage rooms, set prices, apply taxes and policies, and verify the hotel listing easily. First, go to your back office where you manage your site settings. Click here to open the main menu and access management features. Next, click on My Add-ins to access the custom hotel settings. Here you will find the Self-Contracted Hotels add-in. First, activate it, then you can easily configure it. After clicking Configure, you will be redirected to this page where you can manually add your selected hotels. Next, click on the Basic Information tab to fill in the essential property details. Under Property Information, define the property type and property name. Then enter Property City, Tyres, by selecting the city where the hotel is located. Under Inclusions specify the services or benefits included with the hotel booking. List all room-level amenities in the Room Facilities section. Select the General Hotel Amenities under Property Amenities Select and add the facilities under Business Amenities. Save the entered basic property information to proceed further. Next, open contact information to add the contact details. Enter the contact details by adding them in the property phone, asterisk, and email fields. Click Save to save the contact information. Click Location Directions to add directions to the hotel. Click on Edit Route to update or add route information. Add property location details such as latitude, longitude, locality, street address, city, zip code, and state to specify the exact location. Navigate to the Photo Gallery section to upload hotel images. Click the Upload Images option to upload photos of your hotel. Next, click Save. Navigate to Policies Information to add the hotel's rules and policies. Click Add a New Rule option to add new rule. Enter the required details for the new rule you want to add. Open Rooms information to configure the room categories. Enter here the room name to specify the type of room. Next, enter occupancy for room. Choose whether the room booking is refundable. Use Add More to include additional room types. Save all room-related details. Next, click to open pricing information to manage the rates. From here, you can add or edit pricing for any of these options. In the price calendar, you can set, view, and manage room prices day-wise on a calendar. First, select the room type for which you want to set the pricing. Select the applicable meal plan for the pricing. Then, click on Set Data to apply the entered pricing to the pricing calendar. Modify the required pricing fields as needed. Fill in availability of rooms. Submit to save the room pricing information. Here is visible your setted price. In Bulk Update, you will able to update room prices for multiple dates at once instead of changing prices day by day. Choose the room type for applying bulk changes. Select the meal plan option to update pricing accordingly. Define the date range for bulk updates. Click Edit to modify pricing or availability as required. From here, you can update the pricing values. Enter and adjust the room availability numbers. Click Submit to apply all bulk pricing successfully. You will now be able to view the updated bulk pricing. Use Set Min days to define the minimum number of days for a stay. Select the room type, accommodation type, and dates to set the minimum days. Next, click here to edit. Here, enter the minimum number of days to apply. Next, click Submit to finalize the configuration. Click Tax Fees information to configure applicable taxes. Next, enter the tax name, tax type, and tax amount to manage the tax details. If you want to add more taxes, simply click Add More to include extra taxes or fees. Save all tax and fee details. From this section, you can review the hotel list and manage details such as status, location, photos, policies, rooms, pricing, and taxes. Next, click the main menu area on the dashboard to begin configuring your custom availability settings. Next, Click the Settings option in the dashboard menu to access configuration options for your account. Then go to Website Setting to open the section where you can customize website-related features and preferences. Click on Combine Search Box to add a custom hotel to your website search box. Here is the Custom Hotels search box feature. Simply enable it. Enter the hotel name you want to display on your website. Then, click on the Save Settings button to apply your changes and successfully activate the module. Switch to your booking site to verify whether the hotel module and manually added hotels appear on the site. Choose your hotel. Click Search to check hotel availability and details. Now you will see the results appear here easily. Choose any room to check the booking performance. From here, you can review all the details that you added from the backend. Here you can see the deluxe room that was added from the backend. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you understand how to manage and add your self-contracted hotel properties easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.